price and availability. After months of delay, Huawei has finally revealed the pricing of its laptop in the US, $1,199. About £899 or $1,599 to start, with an 8th generation Intel Core i5 processor, 8GB of RAM, a 256GB solid-state drive, SSD, and an Intel UHD Graphics 620 GPU inside. From there, your next option is to bump up the spec sheet to double the amount of available storage and memory, as well as pump up the graphics option to an MX150 GPU for $1,499, about £1,119 or $1,999 If we're to take these estimated US and UK prices, then the MateBook X Pro model reviewed here looks like a veritable bargain next to the most expensive 13-inch MacBook Pro configuration that costs £2,299, £2,219, $3,479. Meanwhile, the XPS 13 is handily beat in terms of value, too, costing $1,999. £1,649, $2,464 to meet the most expensive MateBook X Pro configuration, and with still only half the storage space. Though, in either case, neither of these options offer the dedicated graphics that Huawei's new laptop does. Here is the Huawei Matebook X Pro configuration sent to TechRadar for review. CPU, 1.8 GHz Intel Core i7-8550U, quad-core, 8 MB cache, up to 4.0 GHz. Graphics, Intel UHD Graphics 620, NVIDIA GeForce MX150 Graphics, 2 GB GDDR5. RAM, 16 GB LPDDR3, 2133 MHz. Screen, 13.9-inch 3K, 3000 by 2000, LED with touch panel, 3:2 aspect, 450 nits, 1500:1 contrast, 100% sRGB. Storage, 512 GB SSD, NVMe. Ports, 1x Thunderbolt 3 USB-C, 1x USB-C 3.1, 1x USB 3.0. 3.5mm audio jack. Connectivity, 802.11 acres, 2x2 MIMO, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1. Camera, 720p webcam with far-field microphones. Weight, 2.93 pounds, 1.33 kilograms. Size, 11.97 by 8.54 by 0.57 inches. 304 by 217 by 14.6 mm, WXHF.